Who are you and what do you do?
Yeah, my name is James Hunnicutt. I'm a partner at Jackson Spencer Law, and my role in the firm is to oversee our litigation practice. So once our cases have to go to a lawsuit, I step in and move the cases along to hopefully a resolution that is satisfactory to our clients.
Why do you practice law and why employment law?
Well, I practice law because I really like the idea of helping people, and it also lets me use legal reasoning skills or logical reasoning skills to solve problems. And employment law really fits that mold, especially because an employee is really going up against the Goliath of an employer who holds all the cards. So they need strong representation to vindicate their rights and get the justice that they deserve.
If you had a time machine, would you travel to the past or to the future?
That's a really hard one. Probably the future would just be more fascinating to go and visit and see how things have changed, and hopefully it's a better world than that we are in now.
List 5 unconventional uses of a book.
Doorstop, I think, would be one. A portable desk, I guess a plate, kind of in that same vein. A booster seat for sure.
Booster seat.
Yeah, and I don't know, a fan, because it's really hot in here, and a book would probably, a smaller book would work as a fan.
Okay, about employment law, what would you say is your favorite part and your least favorite part?
When employers, they hide all of the evidence, because they hold it all. They hold all the evidence, they control all the witnesses most of the time in these cases, and so we're always at that disadvantage. But when we're able to press and get those nuggets of information that help to prove our case, or we find that witness that tells us what really happened, or we find the plan of getting rid of our client because of their protected activity or their protected class, it feels amazing to be part of the team that finds that.
What's your favorite law-related movie and why?
Oh gosh, I probably enjoy Intolerable Cruelty the most. It's just slapstick lawyering. I guess in a more realistic vein would be The Rainmaker. So Matt Damon does a great job of going up against an insurance company.
Is there a specific client story that you find brings you joy or makes you happy?
We represented a bartender who applied for a job, and the person that she was sending her applications to had some other things in mind, and when she turned him down, suddenly her job disappeared, and we were able to have him agree to a judgment that is entered against him, and he's paying out over several years every single month. And so just every month, knowing that he is writing a check to our client for what he did every month, it makes me feel good. I hope it still makes the client feel good.
What would you say makes JSL different from other law firms?
Well, I can't really speak to how other firms do things, but what I really respect about our firm is the camaraderie that everybody has here, and how we all collaborate to try and provide the best outcomes for our clients.